Episode 340, Probability in Quantum Mechanics. Why outcomes are not random. Quantum mechanics is often described as probabilistic, as if reality is guessing, as if outcomes are random. They are not. The core misinterpretation: probability is usually treated as uncertainty in our knowledge, lack of information, randomness at the core of reality. That interpretation is incomplete. What probability actually represents? Quantum probability represents unresolved informational structure. It is not ignored, it is incomplete constraint. Before resolution, before an outcome appears, multiple paths are viable, constraints are partial, the system has not committed. Probability weights those paths. Probability is structural, not mental. Probability does not exist in the mind, it exists in the system. It reflects how strongly each outcome is supported by current constraints. Why some outcomes are more likely? Outcomes are likely when constraints align, coherence is higher, fewer conflicts exist. Probability measures compatibility. Collapse revisited. When observation occurs, constraints increase, one path stabilizes, others are excluded. Probability disappears because uncertainty disappears. Why randomness appears? Randomness appears when constraints are hidden, variables are inaccessible, interactions are too complex. This is practical unpredictability, not fundamental chaos. Why quantum statistics work so well? Repeated experiments average out hidden structure. Statistics reveal the underlying constraint landscape. Determinism versus randomness. False choice. Quantum reality is neither fully deterministic nor random. It is conditional. Given full constraints, outcomes would be determined. Without them, probability remains. Across scales, at small scales, constraints are subtle. At large scales, constraints compound. This is why macroscopic reality appears deterministic. Why this matters? If probability is structural, outcomes are not arbitrary. Reality is not chaotic. Coherence matters. This preserves meaning without mysticism. Key insight: probability measures how ready a system is to resolve. Practical clarity: when outcomes feel uncertain, the system is still negotiating constraints. Resolution comes through interaction, not belief. Reality doesn't roll dice, it resolves conditions. Next, we will explore retrocausality and delayed choice. Why cause and effect aren't strictly linear. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow for more aligned content. And if you're new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively from there, step by step. And also please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs and free FMBs from the link in my bio. Thank you.